In this video I will show you how to possibly edit your tweets published in your Twitter account, so let's get started. To edit a Twitter tweet that has been published, we need to click this horizontal, three-dotted More option. But there is no option to edit this tweet. The reason being, this Twitter tweet is very old. Any tweet older than 1 hour of being published can't be edited anymore. This is a tweet I added just 10 to 15 minutes back, so let's see how we can edit it. To edit the tweet, we need to click this three-dotted More option. And in the bottom, we have this option of editing with Twitter Blue tab. We can only edit the tweet up to 5 times within the last 1 hour of the tweet being published, which means, after 1 hour, we won't be able to edit the published tweet. But again, editing the published tweet is not free. We need to subscribe to the Twitter Blue by paying a fee, annually or monthly. And besides editing the published tweet, we will get all these features when subscribed to the Blue. After Elon Musk taking over Twitter, Twitter surely has become a lot commercial. We need to pay, even for the basic tweet editing facility. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.